This is Jay Gardens, this is Melly Flowers, and this is our backyard. Now, tonight, we're going to make a Texas-style hearty potato soup. We've got all the ingredients in front of us. We've got our new potatoes, we've got our carrots, we got our celery, we got our garden herbs, we have our Dixondale onions, we have our toppings at the end, our sharp cheddar, our bacon, we have our ingredients, almond milk, all-purpose flour, and peppercorn. Let's get this soup started. All right, we got our potatoes, carrots, and celery chopped. We're going to add it to our pot with 8 cups of water. We're going to boil it for about 15 minutes, and we're going to stir and get started. We've got Melly Flowers dicing up our green onions with this delicious, hearty potato soup. Got it. So we'll drain potatoes, carrots, and so we drain the potatoes, carrots, and celery. We're making our stock for the soup. So we're going to tenderize the green onions, chives, and butter in our pot for a couple of minutes, and then we're going to add the herbs. I think there's nothing more beautiful than onions, chives, and butter marinating together. We've got the full marinade melted, looking as beautiful as ever. Now we're going to add the herbs. So at this point, we've added 6 tablespoons of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, and 1.5 cups of milk. Now, in this case, we've added 1.5 cups of almond milk. So we'll see how this thickens. Now we're adding the herbs. Let's mix it up. So we've got the herbs in: lime basil, rosemary, chives, oregano, and savory. Let's mix it in. Now we'll add the vegetables back. To the stock and stir. We're going to bring it to a boil. And we're going to bring it to a boil.
I'm going to add this water.
This is our homemade vegetable stock.
Here I'm adding the reserve water from boiling our vegetables. I'm going to start about there and see how it looks. Oh yeah, I'm not making it to the top, so I'm going to add some more.
It looks delicious. So light it up. Let's heat it up. Let's bring it to a boil. And this is our tasty, hearty, Texas-style potato soup. So we're going to bring it to a boil for about 30 minutes, and it's going to be ready to serve. Hot potato Texas-style soup. So we're going to add some blue cheese to thicken it up. We're going to also add some sharp cheddar. going to have a loaded potato for you. And for the finale, we're going to add some fresh bacon bits. We're going to stir that in, let it simmer for about another 10 minutes, and it's going to be ready to go. And as a final Hail Mary, we're going to throw 1 bay leaf in and 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon for flavor. This will set off your taste buds.